Hello everyone, this is Niyati. I'm a co-founder of MT your ultimate tool for granular based backtesting. Trading is a game of edges, we all know that, right? So the smallest improvement in your strategy can mean the difference between breaking even and achieving massive returns. And here's a kicker. If you're not using the most precise backtesting tool available, you're leaving money on the table, just plain and simple. So that's the reason we have made MT Quant accessible to every trader who's just serious about leveling up. For those just getting started, our basic plan is only for 1500 rupees for 30 days and that too unlimited backtesting. So basic MT Quant plan is for 30 days, 3 months and 6 months. For 30 days it's 1500 rupees plus GST. And for 3 months, it's 4100 rupees plus GST. And for 6 months, it's 7500 rupees plus GST. Now let's talk about its offerings. So basic MT Quant plan offers you unlimited intraday backtest and simulation. We have casted no limit onto it. You can do unlimited backtest and simulation. You can even do Greek based backtesting. Calendar spread backtesting is also possible with basic MT Quant plan. Current, next week, next week, next month, and next month expiry backtesting is also available with basic MT Quant plan. Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, and 6 stock option backtesting are also possible with basic MT Quant plan. You can even export HTML report for your future reference. Even you can estimate brokerage on your strategies. So all these are possible with basic MT Quant plan. Now let's talk about premium MT Quant plan. So if you're a power user looking to unlock ultimate potential of unlimited backtesting and premium features, our premium plan is just for 2500 rupees for 30 days and that too unlimited. So 2500 rupees plus GST for 30 days unlimited backtesting. 7,000 rupees for 3 months plus GST and 13,000 rupees for 6 months plus GST. Now, premium MT Quant offerings are that you can do unlimited intraday backtest and simulation, just like basic MT Quant plan. You can even do Greek based backtesting. You can even do calendar spread backtesting, current, next expiry, next month, and next month expiry backtesting. In premium MT Quant plan, not just Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Fin Nifty instrument you can backtest, you can even backtest mid cap, Bankix, and Sensex, and 44 stock options as well. This differentiates from a basic MT Quant plan. HTML report export you can do, and in premium MT Quant you can CSV import, do the CSV import backtesting as well. So if you have any CSV file of AMI Broker or TradingView, that you can import it in MT Quant under multi-leg section and backtest it. You can even do brokerage estimation. So these are the offerings of premium MT Quant plan. Now let's talk about the symbols supported with the basic MT Quant plan and additional symbols that is supported with MT Quant premium plan. So regular MT Quant offers you to backtest Nifty, Bank, Nifty, Fin Nifty, Reliance, SBIN, Maruti, Infosys, TCS and HDFC Bank. And MT Quant Premium offers you to backtest these many symbols. Around 44 symbols we support in MT Quant Premium plan. So are you ready to unlock the power of true backtesting precision? Then just go to the settings under MT Quant, click on Renew MT Quant subscription and choose your plan as per your choice, basic or premium. See you soon in the next video.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.